Yeah, welcome back to my latest video. Again, this is going to be n8n, and obvious this is going to be our AI agent related video. So in this use case, this is again another Telegram bot. So if you have not watched the n8n plus AI plus Telegram bot, you can watch my previous video. I have dedicated playlist for n8n and n8n workflow automation using AI, right? So in this video, we are again building a Telegram bot. Basically, the trigger is your Telegram message. So whenever user sends PDF to the Telegram bot, so it intercepts and extract the text from the Telegram PDF file that was sent by user, and AI agent infers that, and it summarizes the text. Right, so PDF may be very big, and AI agent will infer that, and it will create a summarized text, and that will be fed to the MCP server. Basically, that MCP server takes the text and converts that into audio and sent back to the workflow, and finally the audio file is sent to the user. Okay, let's see this in action. Okay, so before that, let me open that PDF file. Okay, this is the PDF file. So this is just a small PDF file for this demo. It has a couple of quotes, one from Albert Einstein and Steve Jobs. Okay, so this is that. Let me close this, and this is our sorry, not this. This is our bot, and let me upload that PDF that we just saw. Okay, and it will take some time to do its magic. If you see, the workflow would get started. Let's see, it should get started, and yeah, it should get started anytime. Okay, it got started. So let it do its work. Meanwhile, I will just walk you through. So this is our trigger, which is a Telegram bot, right? And extract from file, we can extract the contents from any of the file. In this case, I'm using the extract from PDF, and that is fed to AI agent. And AI agent, basically what it is doing, I have given the system message to extract the content and also summarize the content, right? I'm using open router chat model, and the model that I'm using is this is a free one, NVIDIA Neomotron. Okay, all right. So we close this, and then MCP server, right? And let's see whether it has completed. Okay, it is still running. Good. Okay, so MCP server, and this is our MCP server currently running. Okay, so this is again going to be fast MCP server, and this library is for our text to audio. So that is what doing the text to audio, right? And this simple code, we are if you have watched my previous video, how we have converted to YouTube to MP3. So it is almost similar to that. There we converted YouTube video to MP3, and this in this case we are converting the summarized text received from AI agent and that to MP3, and send that back to workflow. Okay, and finally in this JavaScript code block, we are transforming that base64 string to MP3 file, and that finally sent to WhatsApp. Sorry, not WhatsApp, Telegram node. Okay. So it should be completing its execution in any time, and we'll be getting our. Okay, we already got our MP3 file. Okay, so let's hear whether this matches the content of our PDF.
The text juxtaposes Einstein's witty observation about the infinitude of the universe and human stupidity with Steve Jobs' famous tribute to nonconformists and visionaries who reject rules, challenge the status quo, and drive humanity forward by daring to change the world.
All right, so we have seen that how we can successfully convert any PDF into audio, and we can do all from a messaging app like Telegram or WhatsApp, right? In this case, we saw the example of Telegram. All right, so with this simple AI-based automation, we could successfully convert PDF into audio. All right, thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share, and please do leave your